Recently, the world was shocked by news from China, where a humanoid robot went crazy and attacked a man. During a public demonstration in China, the humanoid robot H1, developed by the company Unitree, suddenly began moving chaotically, and according to eyewitnesses, even attacked a person. The incident caused a real stir on social media and sparked a wave of discussions about the safety of future technologies. As users described in the video, the robot went crazy and attacked an engineer during testing. It began moving erratically and even knocked over the computer that was controlling it. The humanoid device could only be stopped by cutting off its power. The company reports that the robot did not go out of control in the literal sense. It was trying to maintain balance in conditions it was not prepared for. H1 is equipped with a stabilization system that allows it to adapt to changes in body position or the surface beneath its feet. However, during the demonstration, the robot was secured with a safety cable attached to its head, a standard safety measure for public tests. Experts emphasize that the incident does not reflect any sinister intentions from the robot, but rather highlights the importance of adapting algorithms to real-world conditions. Despite the frightening impression, the incident became a valuable lesson for developers and another reminder of the complexity of integrating technology into the real world. A new era of agriculture is beginning in China. Robots are now entering the fields where once only humans worked. Today, farms are turning into true high-tech testing grounds. Autonomous drones precisely spray fertilizers and conduct soil analysis from the air, while ground robots equipped with cameras and artificial intelligence can determine the ripeness of each fruit and gently harvest it with a mechanical arm. On tea plantations, it is no longer unusual to see four-legged robot dogs that do not get tired, do not lose focus, and can work in any weather, transporting harvested leaves with incredible precision. Mechanical strawberry pickers move between the rows and select only perfectly ripe berries without damaging the plants. In greenhouses, miniature artificial intelligence agronomists monitor climate, humidity, and plant growth in real time, making decisions faster than a human. China's goal is to make agriculture as efficient, autonomous, and sustainable as possible. This is especially relevant in the context of an aging rural population and a shortage of labor. What not long ago seemed like science fiction has now become part of everyday life in the Chinese countryside. The Chinese female robot named Mornine recently appeared at an auto exhibition in Shanghai, creating a real sensation among the public and car enthusiasts. Developed by automotive giant Chery, in collaboration with artificial intelligence company Imoga, this hyper-realistic humanoid became a key element of the Omoda brand's presentation, which is promoting its innovative crossovers. Mornine looks like a real woman. Her height is 160 centimeters, her weight is about 55 kilograms, and her body is covered with realistic silicone skin. She is equipped with 41 degrees of freedom of movement, which allows her to move naturally and express emotions through facial expressions. Inside is a powerful artificial intelligence trained on language models by the Chinese developer DeepSeek, enabling Mornine to speak more than 10 languages, including Chinese, English, Spanish, and Malay. She not only greets customers but also provides detailed information about the cars, guides visitors through the showroom, answers questions, demonstrates technologies, and even offers drinks. The Chinese company Magic Lab continues to improve its latest robotic humanoids. Recently, the robot was taught to run, and in the newest update, the main highlight became the new hands for their humanoid robots. The Magic Hand S01 has 11 degrees of freedom, can hold 5 kilograms with 2 fingers, and can easily lift 20 kilograms. The company's robots are capable of performing complex tasks that require high precision, such as roasting marshmallows, performing magic tricks, dancing, and folding clothes. In recent videos, the company demonstrated that the robots can become excellent workers on factory floors, performing the same actions as humans. This reflects their advanced motor skills and movement coordination. The company aims to integrate robots into everyday life, making it easier to carry out various tasks. The MagicBot robot from Magic Lab represents a significant step forward in the field of robotics, offering multifunctional humanoid robots with high movement precision and a wide range of applications. The Chinese company Unitree Robotics, known for its four-legged robotic machines, has unveiled its latest model of a robot dog designed for firefighting, which has impressed the entire tech world. This is not just an experimental development, but a fully functional platform already being deployed in emergency response units across China. This robot is specifically designed to operate in extreme and hazardous conditions where it is too risky for humans to be present, such as during collapses, explosions, chemical leaks, and large-scale fires. Thanks to its four-legged design, the robot has high stability and can confidently move across stairs, slopes, rubble, debris, and sand, overcoming routes where traditional wheeled or tracked robots are powerless. The robots are already undergoing field trials in Chinese fire departments and are being used in real training exercises at mock-ups of burning buildings and industrial sites. Moreover, Unitree has launched sales of these robots in China, both to government agencies and industrial enterprises where there is a high risk of fire. At the recent ProMat 2025 exhibition in Chicago, engineers from Reflex Robotics showcased their humanoid robot, which is already capable of replacing humans in many industries. This human-like robotic machine, mounted on a compact wheeled platform, combines artificial intelligence, computer vision, and precise mechanics to perform real logistical tasks that were previously only possible for humans. The Reflex Humanoid is equipped with a universal manipulator arm featuring 5 independent fingers, allowing it to lift, hold, and accurately place objects of various shapes and weights. Using cameras and sensors, it recognizes objects, determines their position, and sorts them by type, whether boxes, packages, bottles, or small parts. It can also handle fragile or soft materials, adjusting its grip strength in real time. The robot navigates freely through space, avoids obstacles, and can move independently throughout a warehouse or retail area. The American company Dino Robotics has developed a robot capable of replacing humans in many industries, thanks to its high speed and precision. The robot, called Dino 1, is an intelligent system with 2 manipulators, designed to automate operations in warehouse logistics, manufacturing, and service sectors. Equipped with a sophisticated system of grippers and sensors, Dino 1 can perform actions with precision comparable to human hands, such as neatly folding napkins, filling cups, sorting objects, and handling delicate packaging tasks. During one of the tests, the robot operated continuously for 24 hours and successfully folded more than 850 napkins with an accuracy of 99.4% without requiring operator intervention. This demonstrates its suitability for round-the-clock use and for tasks that previously required human labor. Engineers from the Massachusetts Institute of Technology have taught the humanoid robot G1 from the Chinese company Unitree to perform complex movements using a new control system called AMO, Adaptive Motion Optimization. This system is an adaptive whole-body motion control method developed for highly agile humanoids, enabling G1 to execute realistic and stable movements in real time. In the demonstration video featuring the G1 humanoid robot from Unitree, it is shown confidently handling a variety of household tasks using the AMO control system. The robot independently stands up from the floor, carefully picks up objects including dishes and small items, places them in cabinets, rearranges a pillow, demonstrates stability while moving around the house, and is even capable of delivering letters or small packages. It interacts smoothly with its environment, opening doors, placing items on shelves, and neatly organizing things without dropping or deforming them. Write in the comments which of the robots shown in this video you liked the most. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Karo Show channel. Also check out our previous videos. Goodbye.